So we got the next day, and it's a pretty nice day. It's still cold in here, but I'm going to do a shoot. We got the model on the way, and we're going to see what we can get in this tight space. I think I'm gonna be able to work it. I have my 35 with me, but lately I've been using my 75 APSC, so I'm gonna see if I can make that work as well. But I've worked with this model before. We always get bangers together, so we should be able to make this work as well. We have Mar back with us, okay? I think I met you. That was like 2023 though, right? So we are like almost 3 years in, okay? See, I got longevity here, okay? Anytime I come to Atlanta, I'm like, Mar, where are you? Mar, where are you? So I was telling her about the space, and she was like, we still gonna make it work. So I believe in her. So okay, so we have boom. Nice. Okay, well, let's start with this, and then let's see what the vibe is. Boom.
Okay, Jingo.
Okay, so we have some beautiful natural light coming in, so I'm taking advantage of it. It's actually sun coming from another building, bouncing off of a building, and coming into, and it is gorgeous. So let's get some shots. Okay, 1, 2, boom. You could back up just a smidge. Yep. There we go. 1, 2. Gorgeous, gorgeous. 1, 2. Get more in the middle. Yeah, right there. Perfect. Boom. Let's see. Boom, boom. Okay. 1, 2. Boom. What if you put that right foot underneath? Yeah, like that. And then, no, not like that. And then bring, yeah. 1, 2. And let me try to get it a little bit lower. Boom. 1, 2. Boom. Yeah. All right. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Boom. And the sun is actually coming in pretty good. All right, Mar. So I'm gonna have you come out a little bit more. Yeah, just a little bit more. Yeah, right there. There we go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Boom. Let me see. Let's see if we if we move you like right here, just so that your head not by that. Boom. And that right hand, kind of play with your hair a little bit. Your other hand. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Boom. And yeah, just look out that way. 1, 2. Boom. 2, 3. Come in the middle. Yeah, like right, just a little bit, right? Yeah, like right there. 1, 2. Perfect. Boom. Perfect. That's fire right there. And then let me get both hands over top of your head. Yep.